Ever felt that weird, secret rush of joy when someone cancels a plan? While everyone else is complaining in the group chat, you're secretly high-fiving the air because you don't have to put on real pants. If your idea of a wild night involves a weighted blanket and a snack that doesn't require a fork, welcome home. You're about to realize that your hermit lifestyle is actually a sophisticated psychological choice. Let's talk about the human battery. Think of extroverts like solar panels. They need the sun and a crowd of people to charge up. But you're more like a high-end smartphone. You need to be plugged into a wall, specifically your bedroom wall, to get back to 100%. Science calls this your stimulation threshold. Some people's brains need a loud concert to feel alive, but your brain is perfectly happy with a scented candle and a quiet room. It's not that you're boring. It's that your internal world is already a blockbuster movie, and you don't need the extra noise. Why is home so addictive? Because outside is a place of chaos. Outside has surprise small talk with neighbors, and that terrifying moment when someone tries to call your phone instead of texting. At home, you are the CEO of the vibe. You control the thermostat, the lighting, and exactly how many times you want to rewatch that one show from 10 years ago. For the sensitive souls, home isn't just a building, it's a shield. In a world that's always screaming for your attention, your living room is the only place that lets you hear your own thoughts. Here's a plot twist. The loners are often the most creative people in the room. When you stop trying to fit into a crowd, your brain finally has the space to actually think. The best poetry, the smartest code, and the deepest life realizations don't happen in a VIP booth at a loud club. They happen when you're staring at the ceiling in your pajamas. Silence isn't empty. It's actually full of the answers you've been looking for. Society loves to push FOMO, the fear of missing out. It's a billion-dollar industry designed to make you feel bad for being comfortable. But have you tried JOMO, the joy of missing out? It's the realization that you don't need a blurry photo on Instagram to prove you're having a good life. If you feel more yourself on your sofa than at a gala, that's not a social flaw, it's a superpower. It means you actually enjoy your own company, which is something most people are terrified of. Now, a quick reality check. There's a big difference between charging your battery and hiding from the world. If you're staying home because you're genuinely happy, that's peace. But if you're staying home because the world feels too scary to face, that might be a cage. Peace feels light, hiding feels heavy. It's worth asking yourself which one you're choosing tonight. But for the proud homebodies, remember this: you aren't missing anything. You're just busy experiencing the things most people rush past. The perfect cup of tea, the way the light hits your bookshelf, and the luxury of total silence. If you're watching this from under a blanket right now, you've found your people. Hit subscribe if you're a professional at staying in. Your inner world is a pretty cool place to be. Why would you ever want to leave? Stay cozy.